My name is Matt Sadowski, and I'm a developer relations engineer here at Foxglove. Today, I will give you a quick introduction to how to work with your multimodal data with Foxglove. As you can see, I'm on our website right now. So I will log into the application right now. If you don't have an account, you can create one. It's free if you are just starting out. Otherwise, if you're with some company and have an account, it should be quite easy for you as well. I'm already logged in, so it's quite simple. And now this is the app. The workflow I want to show you is with existing data. So I have an MCAP file right here that contains log data for a rover. And it's right here. And I'm gonna open it. Here is our data loaded. We don't have any layout right now, which is great because we want to start from scratch, because that's what we are after. So the first thing I would like to show you is the row panel, row message panel. It can be used to display, you guessed it, row data on your topic. So you can drag and drop a topic name from the left pane with the topics, and you can visualize the data as it comes. You can also, when you are paused, you can just drag the slider with the time, and the data will reflect that position in time. The next thing I would like to show you is the 3D panel. So I'm going to open here a new panel called 3D, and as we replay it, you will see there's quite a lot of frames in our robot model. So what I will do is I will go to the panel settings in the slide left pane here, and I will disable the view of the transform just to make things easier for us. And instead, I will add a URDF of our robot, and I will use URL, and I uploaded my robot here, and it's displayed right now. So as we press play, hopefully we can see the wheels turning. It is because the robot is actually driving. Now with this in, I want to display the LiDAR points. And that's it. That's on the right hand side here, we have an icon to toggle visibility. So if it's off, you cannot see it. If it's on, you will see it. Now the data is here, the robot is moving, the frame is centered on the base link, so it's referenced to the body of my robot. And you can see how it's scanning the environment. As long as your data is correctly structured, like this will work out of the box for you. The next thing I would like to show you is the image panel. So image panel can be used to display images from your camera or videos from your camera, depending how you record them. And it automatically selects the topic, the first image topic that it finds. And as you can see, well, we'll use this one because it's good enough for us. And as I play the data, you can see the video synchronized to the data. So you can probably match the trees that we are seeing inside the 3D panel. Now I would like to show you the plot panel. So I'll again add a new panel, type plot, and drag and drop it to dock it over here. Looking at the topic list in the left pane, we can drag and drop any numeric topic here to display the data, or actually we can also do the fields. So I will take as an example the acceleration in X direction, just to have an idea about the vibrations the robot experiences. And you can see that as I'm seeking through the panel here, there's also a time showing on the time slider, which is very useful if you want to synchronize. And if I click here, it moves the time as well. So this is very useful for debugging. And you can add as many plots as you want to get in here. We're getting an idea about total vibrations the platform experiences when driving. There's going to be a bump here. So that's it for today. Thanks a lot and see you in the next video.